I am Rakesh Kumar, Principal at Training Ship Varren Khardi Campus. This campus is located at Khardi. We are well maintained and well equipped in this institute. We conduct 6 months GP rating course. After doing this course, they can go on merchant ship as a deck trainee and engine trainee, and after certain certification and sea service, they can become officer on board ships.
Hi, I am Captain Mahendra. I am the course coordinator of GP rating course. This institute is conducting a GP rating course of 6 months durations. The institute is well equipped with good connectivity and good infrastructure.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Jangid. I'm from Amritsar, Punjab. One thing I really like about Training Ship Varren is the environment and facilities. The classrooms are well equipped. The library helps us focus on our studies. We also have hygienic food facilities, fitness training, and practical maritime equipment for hands-on learning. The institute provides us professional involvement just like life on board ship.